Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I am going to show you how to upload videos on YouTube from your phone. So let's start. First, open the YouTube app. At the top of the screen you'll see a camera icon. That's your upload button on the YouTube app. Tap on that. Here you'll see two options. You can record a video right away, or you can choose a video from your gallery. You can also go live from here. I'll just select a video. I'll just add a title. You can also add description to your videos. You can also set a location and add to a playlist. You can also trim this video. Now tap Upload on top right corner. And your video will start uploading. It takes a few moments to upload a video on YouTube. Now your video is ready to watch. Now tap on the video and your video will start playing. So if you find this video helpful, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.